What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 12 and today's topic will be how to customize your LLM usage with Llama Index. Okay, so when I say customize, I would like to say there are a couple of things. Suppose you want to use a specific LLM model, or probably you want to restrict the token usage within that model, and those things are going to be discussed in this tutorial. Okay, so suppose your company develops some application, and in that application company wants to give their user some option to select the model and to use the token count, and based on that company wants to actually charge back their customer. Yeah, that could be possible. Like, there should be a drop down and multiple models are listed there, and also there is a token window like 100 token, 200 token, 500 token, 600 token, 700 token, something like that. And based on this combination, company wants to charge back their customer. So you got this requirement, right? And everything is actually going to happen for the customer or for the client from the front end, but as a backend developer you have to actually develop this thing inside your code, right? So I'll teach you here how to achieve this customization with the help of Llama Index, so that you will be going to give your customer, or if you are going to give your client a system where client can actually provide the service in such a way that the service consumers are actually going to select their dedicated LLM, and they're going to select their dedicated token window, right? So that is the thing. So LLM uses customization, choice of LLM, and restrict the token limit. And the video tutorial is actually source code is actually available in this tutorial. Okay, so this is also going to be a very important tutorial, and this is the code of this tutorial will be very simple. Like maybe 4-5 lines of code will be there, but that 4-5 lines of code is actually going to give you a lot of ground. So whenever you are going to start working some company, or whenever you are building some enterprise grade application, this thing you have to consider, that how to actually create your LLM, or how to build your LLM module in such a way that it will have the capability to customize based on the model type and based on the token limit. Okay, so before I start the actual coding, I would like to request a couple of things. The first thing I want to say, guys, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your family and friend, and try to put some comment, whether it is good or bad, doesn't matter, but I would like to receive some honest feedback. If the videos are helping you, please let us know, and also if you think something could be done in a better way, please let us know as a feedback, so that I can work on this thing and I come back with a better version of the video and content. And one more time, why I'm actually giving a lot of emphasis on subscription, because if you see, guys, I'm actually uploading videos for almost last 1 year. If you go to my channel and search for a playlist, you will find a dedicated playlist on LangChain. It has 105 videos, and this is the playlist series or tutorial series I created on Llama Index. It has already I have already uploaded 11 videos. This is the tutorial 12. So please go ahead and watch those LangChain and Llama Index video from the beginning. I believe you will be going to like those things, and also you will learn a lot. Okay, so only thing in return, I'm asking you guys to subscribe to my channel, because your one subscription is going to help me, motivate me, and also it will help me to reach large number of audience. Because the moment you start subscribing to my channel, my subscriber count will automatically increase, and this will actually get some attention from YouTube algorithm, so that YouTube will also start going to promote or push my videos to the large number of audience. So my ultimate goal is actually to reach large number of audience. So guys, please help me to reach my goal, and I'm promising that I will always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so enough of talking. Now let's move back to the actual coding. So this is my VS Code. So first thing first, I have created a directory. Inside the directory, I have an article written on smart contracts. So with the help of this article, I'll be going to create a vector index. Okay, so first thing first, it will be from Llama index .core import simple directory reader and vector store index, right? Next thing, I'll be going to import from Llama Index dot LLMs dot OpenAI. Okay, so it will be OpenAI right? And next thing, from LlamaIndex dot core dot, I think there is something called settings or something will be there. I would like to actually get that setting, because that setting is only going to help me to get this thing. So basically I think I can get the settings here. So this is the settings, okay? So I don't need this thing, okay? Okay, fine. So first thing first, let's actually set our LLM. So this is the thing I would like to say. So settings dot LLM. So here, with the help of this thing, you are going to customize your LLM. So I'm setting, I would like to use OpenAI, okay? And what else you gonna use? I want to use model equals to GPT, sorry, so GPT GPT hyphen 3.5 hyphen turbo. Okay, I want to use this model, okay? And another important thing, so max tokens. Okay, so max tokens at the beginning I will make it 100. Okay, now I'll start with 10. Okay, I'll show you. Right now what will happen, we'll be going to actually create our documents. Okay, so right, so if you are going to build an application, this thing and this thing will be coming from the UI, right? And after that you will be going to receive this information from a JavaScript back front end, and you will be going to call it, right? So this is how you can actually customize your thing. But here we don't have a front end, so but I just show you how to do it. Okay, so now simple directory reader, right, like this, and after that data, right, and after that load data, right? So my data is ready, and after that what we will do, we'll be going to create an index. Index equals to vector store index and dot from documents, and inside that I'll be just going to pass my documents, right? All done. Then we'll be going to set up engine, ending equals to index dot as square engine, like this, and then we'll write response. Okay, so engine dot query. Okay, and here I'll be just going to write explain the usage of smart contract, explain every use case in detail. Okay, and here I'll be just going to write the response. So now you see, just because the client already selected the 10 tokens, and but he's actually looking for this information, it is not able to get that answer, because maybe client is paying very less amount of money because he selected this 10 tokens, but he wants to get a detailed answer. And now you see the quality of answer. Okay, just ignore these warnings. Yeah, see, the quality of answer is like this. It means your client must increase the token count. Okay, so max token, so make it 50, and let's see how it is going to react now. So everything you can control, right? Because ultimate objective is actually to make money, and to make money your client or your customer wants to do something like this, so that your client can actually charge back their client accordingly. Now see, the moment I actually increase this thing, it is giving me something like this, but again it is not completed. So I assume 150 is good now. Okay, so let's make it 150 and see the quality of the answer. Okay, yeah, so quality of the answer improved. Now if you want to get a better quality, maybe let's say I want to make it 550 or something like this. Right, now you see the quality, it will get much more improved version now. Yeah, right. So we get much more improved version here, right? Now we would like to make it 1000. Let's see, 1050. Yeah, so this is not improving with the token count. So maybe what we'll do now, GPT-4. Okay, so let's make it GPT-4. Let's see if it is going to give me much more improved version or the same version. Yeah, GPT-4 is actually taking some time. I don't know what is happening. Yeah, it is actually taking some time. Yeah, it's a better. So now easily you can understand the difference between GPT-4 and GPT 3.5. Now let's make it GPT-4 Omni, the most advanced model. Okay, let's see. So this time probably I will get far better answer. Yep. Okay, you see, we got lot of better answer now, right? So that is my ultimate objective, to show you guys that um, these things are really amazing, right? With the help of this two feature, you can actually uh, give give the customer freedom to choose the system accordingly their budget or their pocket, right? Suppose if a student is actually going to use it, obviously they are going to use GPT 3.5 and they are going to use less token, right? Because they are not having that much of money. If a guy who is working for a job, working somewhere, and for his job he wants to actually use this thing, so definitely he will be going to pay a lot of money, because he is going to support his job, right? So probably he will use GPT-4 and a little bit token. Now if a company is actually going to use your product, right, so obviously they are going to get the best version of it, because they are actually a uh, business owner and they have a lot of money. So they can give the best, they can easily use the best product, right? So that is why these things are very much important. And as I told you guys, whatever I am doing in my company, whatever use case I am getting in my company, I try to actually replicate the same thing in my tutorial. So if you see, my tutorials are more or less use case driven, and all tutorials are unique, right? If you follow my tutorials, you are not only going to learn the concept of LLM, LangChain, Llama Index, but the same point of time you will understand what exactly happening in the company. And when you start working as a AI engineer in the company, what type of work are expecting for you, or what sort of like role you are going to play. So that is why I will highly request you or you guys to watch my videos, and after that just try to write down the code by your own, because ultimately you have to do the coding when you join in the company, right? And if you do not know what type of code is required, what are the things you have to use, what are the component you have to use, then it will be a little bit tricky for you. Obviously you will get an answer for everything from the chat GPT, but remember, these things are very new, and chat GPT won't be able to actually get this answer for you from internet, right? Yeah, after 2 or 3 years when these things are developed, that time you will get the answer. But right now the LangChain framework, the Llama Index, and AI related use cases are very much new. To develop this sort of infrastructure and use case, you have to have some knowledge, right? And that knowledge you will get from where? You will get the knowledge from us. I'm not saying just like me, you can follow any other YouTube channel. Yeah, and also you have to practice, right? The practice is the ultimately thing. But here you will get something which I am trying to cover, which is not covered in other channel. Because if you follow other channel, you will get a lot of other theoretical part. In my channel, I don't cover theoretical part in that way. I just try to make it very simple, use case oriented, and use cases are actually relevant use case, whatever is being used in the industry level or in the company, right? So enough of talking, guys. So please subscribe to my channel if you watch this video, or if you're watching this playlist, let us know how you are finding this video, because your one good comment or one honest feedback is going to help me a lot. And last but not least, try to share my videos with your family and friend, and also hit the bell notification icon so you should not miss any notification from our future updates. Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.